Hear that? That's the magic of Mothers Blizzard Wizzard foam cannon cleaning your ride. Take advantage of its powerhouse cleaning formula in either a touchless or hand wash application. Its pH balanced, environmentally friendly formula won't strip your wax, sealant or ceramic coating, but instead safely and smartly shampoo your ride. For a magic no-touch cleaning solution, simply fill the bottle to the outlined 550ml mark with water and then add Mother's Triple Action Foam Wash. Choose the cleaning power of your wash by referring to the 3 different ratio options, designed for a super sudsing, all-purpose wash through to an insane foam high-powered cleansing. To avoid a suds overflow, always fill the bottle up first before adding the foam wash. Then top it up with water, attach the lid and gently swirl. Now, its wizardry has been activated. Next, attach the Blizzard Wizzard to your pressure washer and adjust the knob and nozzle to achieve your desired foaming action. Always aim to work in the shade to avoid the product drying on the surface. Starting from the bottom up, spray your vehicle with this potent elixir, targeting those lower areas first to ensure a longer dwell time for these typically dirtier surfaces. Keep an adequate distance and apply generously in long sweeping motions for the greatest efficiency and effectiveness. Blizzard Wizzard's thick blanket of foam will then start to work its magic at dissolving and dislodging the grit and dirt on your ride's exterior. This touchless process ensures that these heavy contaminants are not being rubbed against your vehicle, helping prevent nasty swirls and scratches from occurring. Now that you have thoroughly coated your ride, allow the magic foam time to dwell and for that Blizzard Wizzard to cast its cleaning spells. Next, spray your vehicle using the pressure washer to get rid of the suds and loosen dirt. For dirtier vehicles, combine with a hand wash application. With a thick layer of foam on the car, grab a clean Mother's sponge or wash mitt. Then dunk in a bucket of foam wash solution and work top down and section by section. Rinse the sponge in a bucket of fresh water as you go and make sure to keep grabbing more foam wash solution as well. Once this has been completed, pressure wash your car from the top down, then hand dry with a clean, soft Mother's microfiber towel. Now you've got a truly spectacular shine, all thanks to a little Mother's magic.